Well, we found the river. Found a little path to come down to the river. But I don't think we're going to do any fishing because there's just no place to stand. I mean, it literally just basically drops right into the river. And that river is nasty. It's super muddy, dirty. I don't even think we could do any magnet fishing here, so that's kind of a bummer. So I wouldn't suggest swimming in the river. No wonder it looks so nasty. There is a boat ramp here. Pretty steep boat ramp and very narrow boat ramp.
I'm trying to figure out what those tracks are.
I have no idea. Oh, let me zoom in. Maybe somebody will watch and will know. What are those? There's some more if I can find them in the video there.
They almost go right down to the water.
Oh, there they are. Yeah.
It's no animal I've ever recognized.
Is it some kind of tire track?
Oh.
But it's in a weird
There ain't no way it could have.
That's.
Well, I mean, see, you got the coon.
God.
That's from a raccoon. You can see that one over there is the pointed toes. But I don't know what that is. If we had giant millipede, centipede things,
Well, yeah, that's weird because it comes up and goes up this way and then back down.
Yeah, back to the water.
It's very squirmy looking. That's strange. So, found this little spot right here on the edge. He's making a few casts, see if he can catch any 2 or 3 headed fish. Considering, my gosh, that came back really far. Thought he was going to catch me. There's the boat ramp. It's really narrow, really steep, really long, really muddy. Starting right in that area is mud. So I'm not sure how you would get anything down in there without sliding off down into the river. Well, it's a really large log. Okay, so you're changing to a straight hook.
Yep. This bait that I'm using this new bait is very hard, like a rock. And you put it on the hook, and so when you use like a traditional treble hook or whatever, I don't even think the fish get through to it. And I've had several bites, and I'll yank at it, and there ain't nothing there. I mean, I know I'm not the greatest fisherman, but I know I'm not that bad either. So I'm gonna change it to a straight hook and see if that changes my luck.
Okay, what'd you do?
Well, I slipped, fell, and just about went down in the river on my butt. So, you see my hands, they're all covered because I was grabbing hold of whatever I could not to slide into the river.
Into the bacteria-filled river.
Right. That's what I was more concerned about, because I can swim fine, but I just didn't want to grow another head or something. So.
Well, I'm really disappointed I didn't have the camera on when you slipped, because that wasn't funny at all.
Yeah, I could hear you cackling up here.